Kunjani mntana?
Yilapha kunjani?
Uphile enyameni but umoya ufile.
Yebo.
They took it all.
Bathethe konke.
Bathathe konke.
Bashiya mina nje nebantwana.
Bashiya wena nabantwana. Kwashona indoda yakho. Abantu basemzini akho bathatha konke.
Yebo babe kunjalo.
Bathatha mali babe sebe-accuse bathi nguwe obulele indoda.
Yebo babe kunjalo bathi ubulewe.
Bakugxotha nabantwana bakho.
Yebo.
Bathi phindela kowenu.
Yebo.
Mawufika kowenu nobhuti wakho akakufuni.
Angifunwa nzawo ngireject.
Uyakuthuka uthi phinde emzini lento yabulala indoda.
Kunjalo babe.
Bathatha konke ayikho into bangazange bayithathe waphuma ngeimpahla kuphela.
Ngaphuma nje.
Waphuma unjena.
Yebo.
Besho indoda ibigula uyihlamba for unyaka wonke. Itholethela ihlanjwa uwe.
Yebo bajike bathi ngiyibulele.
Bathi uyibulele wena.
Yebo baba.
Wathi wena mabakunike at least noba ngamateksi amabini endoda yakho okanye bakunikeze indlu uhlale nabantwana bathi abafuni nalabo bantwana ngawubaba balapha.
Balavele bathi ngeke ngihambe nebantwana bami ngoba ngibulele umntwana wabo.
Yasokola manje awufunwa ndawo abantwana bayagula.
Matima baba.
Umatima.
Yebo.
Umatima. They took it all. They took it all. Wathatha imali yakho yokugqibela i20,000 waya la eThekwini. Mawufika eThekwini yathi inyanga 15,000 wabhatala kwangenzeki lutho.
Kunjalo babe kwabuya kwabamnyama kakhulu.
Wave kwabamnyama kakhulu.
Yebo.
Kwabamnyama kakhulu. Okubhlungu umntanami ilento ba umama wendoda kusaphila naye uyo hamba phambili. Uhamba nabantwana bakhe abathathu. Bafana bakhe abakufuni bathatha zonke izinto bayazidla nezimoto zendoda yakho nezimali zaphumela bona.
Yebo babe kunjalo.
Kodwa abantwana bakho bayahlupheka.
Kakhulu abafunzi nekufunza.
Abafunzi nokufunda. Bahlele ekhaya. Ungamsizela umthakathi. I'm telling you. The enemy will finish you. Mthakathi akaphumli athili ungene wena egodini. Mthakathi akaphumli. Bathathe everything. Bamshiye yedwa. As I'm talking to you now.
Yebo.
As I'm talking to you now.
Yebo.
Ngingene kwindawo yakwaMangusa ngafike ngahlala phansi. Mangifika ngihlala phansi. Ngafika ngakhuluma nomunye umama. Ngafike ngathi kulo mama mnikeze izinto zakhe. Wathi kumlo mama ufuna ukukubona uhlupheka ufuna ukukubona usidle emqomeni. Wathi ufuna ukukubona usifa. Wathi ufuna ukukubona uhlanya ungenalutho. Wathi akanamsebenzi nabo bantwana bangafa bafe nawe.
Yebo babe liqiniso kunjalo ukushilo lokho ngemlomo wakhe.
Usho ngomlomo wakhe wathi ufuna ukukubona usifa ufe nalabo bantwana akanamsebenzi nalabo bantwana. Wathi zonke izinto zomntanakhe azibuyele kuwe. Wathi into zomntanakhe azinodliwa ngabantu bangaphandle.
Yebo babe liqiniso ngikola kushilo lokho.
Shapalia ntalabra asadash nimantula selida bra tabashta neminta anta santula Umthandazo wami umnye namhlanje. Ubaphindele emzini akho. Umthandazo wami. Ungasaphindeli nje. Ufike imoto zakho zonke ipakile. Two. Angiyazi yini le. Bahambe bayoyitshintsha, bafike bayisign. That's not a letter of power, power of what. God, I saw something they sign that give them power to inherit. But uthutha umoya at 1 o'clock in your Standard Bank account. Mali yendoda yakho mayingene tomorrow. Lord, I've said it. You cannot lie. You are God. Tomorrow, 1 o'clock, let the money Shamonta Pravalita Selitapa. Hear me, my daughter. They won't come to you to apologize. No. But tomorrow they will bring your things. After bezisile into zakho ngomso. NgoLesibini kukhona lento mamazala owakuthumelela yona. Ngiyayijika manje. Dithi ngoLesibini 6 feet under. Afselapha. NgoLesibini. After zibuyele kuwe zakho. Makwenzeke empilweni yakho in the name of Jesus. Outside makwenzeke empilweni yakho in the name of Jesus. Ayibuya Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Ayibuya into zakho this week. Ayibuya into zakho this week. Ayibuya into zakho this week in the name of Jesus. Azibuya in the name of Jesus. Sit down, ma'am. There is no way that the Lord cannot bless you.